In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure SSLTLS settings for your domain using the Cloudflare dashboard. It's an essential part of keeping your website secure, and it only takes a few steps to get it backed up and running properly. Let's jump right in. First, we'll be heading over to the Cloudflare dashboard. If you haven't already created an account or logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to locate the domain you wish to configure. If you have multiple domains, take a moment to ensure you're selecting the correct one for this setup. It's crucial to be attentive here to avoid making changes to the wrong domain, which could lead to unintended disruptions. After you've confirmed that you're looking at the right domain, you'll notice 3 small dots positioned to the right of your domain name. You'll want to click on these dots. This is a common feature in many interfaces and usually opens up a range of options specific to the item you're managing. When you click on this, a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu that drops down, select the option labeled Configure SSLTLS. This will direct you to a new page where you have the capability of setting your encryption mode. Now, this step is particularly important as it dictates how secure the connection between Cloudflare and your server will be. On this page, you're presented with several encryption mode options. These include off, flexible, full, and strict. Each option offers a different level of security. For instance, choosing off means there's no encryption between Cloudflare and your server, which is generally not recommended unless you're troubleshooting a specific known issue. Selecting flexible will encrypt traffic between the user and Cloudflare, but not between Cloudflare and your server. This can be an acceptable choice if your server doesn't support SSL, but it's less secure than the other options. Full encryption mode encrypts between both user and Cloudflare and your server, but does not validate the server's SSL certificate. Finally, strict offers the highest level of security, verifying that the server certificate is signed by a trusted certificate authority. You'll want to choose the mode that best suits your needs and the security level you're aiming for. If you're uncertain, full is often a safe default unless you have specific requirements for strict. Once you're happy with your choice, you can proceed to enable Recommender. This feature can aid you by suggesting improvements and optimizations based on your current setup. And it's always a good idea to have those extra insights. And there you have it. You've configured your domain's SSL/TLS settings in Cloudflare. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your website is not only running smoothly, but also securely, which is paramount in today's digital landscape. Thank you for watching.